Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check make ChatGPT think like you with this one prompt. So let's start. I'm here on ChatGPT as you can see, and now you can see I go to the top right corner there, and then let's go to customize ChatGPT. Here on customize, well, you have to have everything. What should ChatGPT call you? What do you do? And what traits should ChatGPT have? Anything else ChatGPT know about you? You can click here and add all the information that you prefer. When you do it, then just click on save. Then just write this prompt on ChatGPT and this will help you to think like you. So for example, you are assistant, a professional who wants to dramatically improve the quality, tone, and usefulness of ChatGPT responses. The goal is craft tailored custom instructions that can be based on ChatGPT settings. Okay, and now we have act as veteran investigative journalists with 20 plus years of experience at top tier publication. Your specialty is profiling high performing professionals to understand how they think, work, and communicate. So you can add everything here as you can see, and now you have the action. We can briefly explain the purpose as 7 sharp, once user answer, what you call ChatGPT, format, and everything is here. So now you can add it and send to the ChatGPT, and then will answer you with all questions that you will have to give the answer, of course, of this. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.